Welcome to the second session of how to file the tax returns. Now, in the last video, we have seen how to file the VAT returns, which we have done through here. But now, in this video, I'm going to explain you how to file your business tax return. This is actually you have to file how much profits you have made or what was your actual income from the business. So to do that, you have to click on the file business tax return over here. So it will land you on this page. Uh, Here, you can see the detail of your company, your name, your business ID, your accounting period, and then you can see your own details. And at the end, you can just let it be like this. You don't have to do anything here. Also, it will ask, do you use double entry bookkeeping? No, you are using single entry, so it will be also no. As shown in the example bookkeeping, this is called a single entry bookkeeping. You're just having a detail of your turnover or of your sales, or and then your expenses or the car expenses. So this is the single entry counting. So you just go to the next. So here we will file the details of your. First of all, it will be about the net sales. Uh, so here you have to tell how much total you have earned in the last year. So in the case of our Excel file, you can see the sales sheet here. The total sale without VAT is this one. And if you remember, as we discussed in the last video, that you will get the tax relief if your earning is less than 15,000 euros. So all the VAT is also income. So that means your total sale is this one, not this. So you have to file this thing over there. So this is your net sales, the total amount, including the VAT. You have to put it over here. So this is the net sales. The second thing is uh, you have to, if you are using car, then you have to fill out this part. If you're not using car, then you can just go to the all the way down and click on the next. You don't have to file anything else over here. Uh, but for the car users, because I think most of you are using your private cars, so you have to click over here. Yes. All right. So first of all, you have to declare on what basis you are using the details. You have to put driver's log. And here you can see I have made a mock driver log, this one. So here I have recorded in January, for example, I've driven 500 kilometers for personal and 600 for business. In February, it was 1000 for personal, 700 for business. So this is how you keep the record of your kilometers. At the end, you have total kilometers for personal, total kilometer for business. Based on that, you can take the percentage out. For example, in this case, I have driven 52% for personal and 48% for business. So when you are recording the expense of your car, then you have to take uh, according to that percentage. For example, this is the total amount uh, of expense spent on the car, but you have driven only 48% for the business. So you will just multiply it with 40.48, so it will be 197, and in this case it is 824. So this is 48% of your total car expense. So this is how you have to take out the portion of your uh, car expenses, and then you have to put it over here in your expense sheet according to this. So this VAT you will get it back when you're filing the VAT. To file the VAT, you have to check the first video, and here you will use this figure as in car expense. So this is now the total expenses for your, including the car expenses. So we have the total kilometer driven is 9455. First of all, you have to declare that 9455 total kilometers you drive, and then you have to tell how much you use for the business. For the business, it is 4500. So put 4500 over here. So the total benefit that you will get is 2385 euros. So it is multiplied by 53 cents. So they're giving 53 cent per kilometer as a tax free. So this you will get it here. Now remember one very important thing. If you have not recorded this, but you only have recorded this, then you have to keep it no. But in case you have recorded this thing as well, like you have been recording how much you're spending on fuel, repair, or taxis, what or the insurances, then and you have kept the record, and then you deducted it from the VAT. So in that case, you have to declare here how much you have deducted for car expenses. So in this case, your total expense is 824.52 on car. 824. Click here and then put it here. 824 0.52. 824. So this was your total that you have deducted from your expenses as well. So but you have to tell it over here. So this is the additional that you will get on top of this actual car expenses. So yeah, after this you have to go all the way down, click on that. You don't have to click anything else here. Just go to the next. Now here you have to file your business tax returns. So here remember that you just have to go to other deductible expenses. You don't have to file anything else. Just put it here, other deductible expenses, and those are uh, this one, 3647.10. 3647.10. So this is your total expenses, right? And then this is coming from your kilometer allowance. So that means that your total expense is 5,207 euros and 58 cents. And that makes your profits this much. So this is your actual income from business, which is equal to sales minus expenses. So this is your actual income. So you will pay income tax on this one, not on your total amount of sales. Then you have to go next. Here they ask for business assets. In your case, I don't think so. You guys have any business assets, or you don't have to fill anything here. Just go next. Now this is the summary of this is a summary of your filing. Net sales, you file this one. Private car, kilometer allowance, and then your other deductible expenses, and that tells you about your total expense and total income. And then you just click on the submit, and that's it. So this is how you file your business tax return. So thank you so much.